Lisbon, guys! Sorry for the noise. We are in the big bus station, and now we're gonna have about 1.5 hours to chill, and then we have to take another bus to Faro. It's gonna take about 3.5 hours or something, so we will be arriving late in the evening. But now we need to find the bathroom and get some food. Ah, so busy here. Wow. Our lunch station. We found this very cute spot close by the station, but it's more quiet. And yeah, so we just gonna have some lunch here. We grabbed a coffee, and yeah, super windy today. I hope so in Faro is gonna be more chill and we can enjoy the ocean and yeah, go for a swim. But we'll see. Now we need to have something to eat, get the energy back in the body. And yeah, we made some very cute sandwiches here, and we're gonna enjoy that. Yeah. We are, guys, in this crazy mall.
This is a crazy big mall.
Oh my goodness, we need to find lenses for Ewan's eyes. And
I think we just need to find me new eyes.
yeah. Is there any eyes around that we can borrow? But yeah, we have 20 minutes till the bus, so we better be fast, and we don't know where to go.
We do. You found it.
We found the
Look at the
glass
surf and
shop.
skate shop.
Oh wow. Okay, let's go. We did it, guys. We managed in this crazy chaos, and now time to take another bus and see you in Faro.
Want to see our view? Spectacular view. Come look at our view. Wow. Amazing.
Oh my goodness, guys.
What?
We travel 8
fuck?
hours today, and
For this.
and that's the view we got. You know, in our Airbnb.
Why?
We booked a room with Airbnb at the beach with a beach view. We checked the pictures, and then we were going with taxi, and he's like talking about downtown, and we see that we're going completely different.
opposite way.
Like, what the hell? And then we check this room and the location, everything is completely different, and now we have this amazing view.
Like, why is there a giant wall?
What the hell? What the hell? Like, why they do that? You know, they put beautiful pictures to attract you, take your money, and then you get
It's not even
shitty
the same
room.
room. It's not even the same place.
No.
Like, we got
Oh
one
my
like on the
goodness.
beach front on this strip of the beach, not in the city. Now we're in the city. I don't know.
Oh my goodness.
I'm not paying for this. We're complaining.
We are complaining
This
for
is
sure.
fucking bull. Take a picture of this and then
What the
say
hell?
spectacular view. Please show me.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm high and I don't see it, but I don't see a fucking view.
We are really like.
I am so upset.
Yeah, me too. Like
You were gonna jump in this pool.
yeah, we were
in the
like
ocean.
talking about the ocean and this beautiful view that we're gonna look the sunset and eat the dinner there. And now it's just like this disappointment and sadness, and we are here just for one night.
Yeah, we have to be at the airport at like 5.
Yeah, at 5 in the morning. So basically, we just gonna sleep and look at this
And we have this
amazing view.
Well, at least we're gonna go to bed early.
Yeah. So don't trust Airbnbs or send them messages before you book something. Like this is not good. And the room looks nice.
I mean, it's a nice room and you get a bed at least. At least they have a bed. And a TV. But like, this isn't even the same location. It's not.
It's not the same as we thought it's going to be, but.
And the room we looked on the website, it's gone.
Yeah, it's gone.
It
and we
didn't
don't
even
understand
exist.
what's happening
There was
right now.
no room. This was the room.
Anyways, we are still here. We're still gonna have good time, and we're gonna go for a nice walk and take you with us. And everything is gonna be okay. And tomorrow we're flying to Denmark, and we're gonna dance and drink cacao.
No, I want to go back home.
Really?
Yeah.
We.
Let's go back on the bus.
Oh no! Again, 8 hours. Can we just sleep over and then we can go
All
home?
right, we can go home tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
But I don't want to sleep with this view. I don't think I can sleep with this view. What a view.
Yeah.
So we'll keep you updated on what we do next.
Yeah.
They
So
deceived us with.
we found there is this bigger balcony.
This is the shared balcony.
Yeah, this is the shared balcony. Yeah, you can see all the people balconies from here. I will show you.
I shouldn't look over the next one. Well, it's cute, I guess. Big water bottle.
And the sun is here. So we decided just to go for a nice walk. Unfortunately, we cannot make to the ocean because it's
Really far.
really far. It's 1 hour by walking and almost 1 hour by bus because it's very crazy roads to take. And it's already 8 o'clock, so the sun will be down very, very soon. And we need to wake up so early. So yeah, we're gonna see the ocean, not the ocean, the sea in Denmark.
Yeah.
So yeah, and now we're just gonna go walk around, see a little bit the city, and yeah, watch the sunset, have a nice dinner.
And enjoy each other's company.
Yay!
At least we can do that.
Yeah. We reached some water, guys, but it's like lagoon.
Yeah,
It's not the ocean, but at least some water
Somewhere.
source. And there behind is water. That's where the ocean. But still very beautiful and calming. And such a beautiful sunset will be soon. Let me show you. Good morning, guys.
Oh my god, good morning.
It's very early right now. It's almost 5 and we are waiting for a cab to take us to the airport. Oh, the night was really horrible.
It was a
This-
bad sleep.
Yeah, this location not recommended. It's very close to the downtown, so it was so much noise and police.
Airplanes.
And it's close to airport, so it's airplanes and wow. But anyways, we are happy. We're going to Denmark. We're gonna have our event today, and it's gonna be magical as always. And yeah, wish us some strength.
Yeah,
Send
we
us some
need it.
strength.
It's very early.
Even though you're gonna watch it afterwards, but
It's
yeah.
gonna be an awesome weekend.
Yeah. So yeah, I don't know what to say more. I'm just still very, very sleepy, and I hope so the airport will go very smooth, because I have like singing bowls and we have cacao and everything, and I hope so they will not stop us asking, what is it? Why do you need this? Is it a weapon, you know?
It's drugs.
Yeah, it's our drugs. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be okay.
It's gonna be okay.
Also, we had very, very lovely walk yesterday. It wasn't too long. We just watched the sunset, see a little bit the city, got some ice cream. And
That was really good ice cream.
And we said we have to rest. So yeah, see you guys in the airport. Let's go. Denmark, we are coming. Denmark, we are coming. We just passed security, and as I told you guys, we're gonna get stopped. The guy, he was like, what is this metal ball? And I'm like, it is a singing ball. And he's like, oh, okay, I never seen that before. And Ewan also got stopped, but they just checked and...
Yeah, it was like 2 seconds. He lifted like the opening and he's like, okay, it's good. Like,
you can go.
I don't get it.
But
Why-
it's
why
always feel
stop
a
me?
bit stressful when you get picked to check your bag, even though you know you don't have anything, but it's just like this, they make you feel.
At least he didn't have to check our butts.
Yeah. So now we're good to go. We need to find our things.
Yeah, soon will be displayed.
And too many people, wow, so many people.
So many, I'm surprised.
Guys, what the hell? Water cost 4 euros. Water, a little bottle like this, 4 euros. That's insane. I don't know.
Right, look at the wine, $8
Oh my god.
for that little bottle of wine.
Where this world is going. Let's enjoy the most expensive water of my life, I think. Oh, so sad to see that we have to pay so much for simple thing as water. And before we enter, the security guy there was like hundreds of plastic bottles because everyone has to leave it. And I don't know, it doesn't make sense for me to make such a waste and then charge so much. Maybe you don't agree with me, but yeah, I feel a little bit angry. It should be our rights to have fresh water and toilets everywhere, you know. But yeah, they charge for everything right now, and what can you do, right? You have to drink anyways. They know that. Everyone knows that. Yeah, sad reality. We made it, guys! We made it! I need to find Ewan because we were not sitting together, so... Whew, very cold here and very grey. Here he is, here he is.
Welcome to Denmark.
Your
I
hat
got
is
my
so
hat.
funny. It looks so funny. The way you wear it.
What's so funny about it?
Okay, now it's good.
You want it like that?
How do you feel coming back
Well,
to
it's
Denmark?
cold.
Yeah.
I miss the beach.
And the sun. We are in Aarhus. Look at this weather, guys. And we met with our friend Robin.
Now it's really raining.
Oh my goodness. I wanna go back to Portugal.
Yeah.
It's raining.
Yes.
Woo!
Oh no!
Oh no! What's happening now? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, you're all
Hello.
covered with rain. Oh
Welcome
my
back
gosh.
to Denmark.
Oh, so our friend even give up
Yeah,
from
he
all
said
the
too
rain.
much rain.
He said it's too much. I'm going home. So
At
now,
least he drove us here, which was really nice of him.
yeah, it was so nice to have someone picking up you from the airport.
Yeah.
And yeah, and now we're just gonna find a nice warm cafe.
Yeah,
So
chill
we
for a
can get
bit,
something.
get our energy back.
Yeah, because in a couple hours we are hosting an event and we didn't sleep much. The flight was very long, and now this weather, not so much motivation.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, sorry guys if you're getting wet. I can see on the camera. I will update you later. See you.
Yeah.
Cozy matcha time. So we are back actually to the cafe where we were coming very often before, because it's really cozy here. It's a lot of students and yeah, it's really nice vibe. So brings these nice memories back when we were living in Aarhus. Yeah, just wanted to share that with you. So we just arrived to this place that we are renting, and oh my gosh, look how red my fingers are. It's so freezing cold here, and it was raining. We are soaked completely. But anyways, now we're gonna have some lovely lunch and then prepare for the ceremony, calm ourselves down and enjoy the time with people. I'm gonna show you a little bit around. So this is where we're coming. Is the room where we're gonna host the ceremony. And there is Lasse! Wow! It's not bad.
It's not bad. It's really good.
I really were like that maybe the sound could be so bad. No. Yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it. Like we rented this space without seeing it before, so we were really scared that the room is too small, the speakers are bad, but actually everything is really great. Like look at this beautiful kitchen. Like Denmark is so awesome with the design, and yeah, everything just looks so beautiful and aesthetic, and yeah. And we got falafels, our favorite falafels here. They're like so good, so good. Oh my goodness, I miss them so. Yeah, I will join you, Ewan, and let's have some food. Hello guys, we are saying hi from Copenhagen. Yesterday, sorry, we needed to have our all energy for the event, and I was not even thinking about the filming anymore because we needed to be present with people, enjoy that. It was a really, really beautiful experience. And today we are in Copenhagen
Doing it again.
doing another event in actually like a couple hours. So now we are going to get a metro and go straight to the place. So we are not really here for touristic reasons. So we're not gonna show you much of the city or anything. But yeah, we are so excited to be here. And as you saw, yesterday was crazy rainy and cold, and today is like sunny and so calm.
Nice.
And wow, I wish there would be much more energy in the body, but yeah, that's okay. We can do this, and so excited.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. We were thinking to rent these electric bikes. Maybe we will do that later, but for now we just need to really get to the space. So we will take metro, and yeah, let's see how we can manage this huge city. But also very weird to be back in Denmark. Like, it feels everything so familiar because I lived here for 5 years, Ewan for 4 years before. So everything's like, did we ever lived in Portugal, you know? What's happening? We're like not much sleep and tiredness, so everything feels like dreaming, which is really, really crazy. But yeah, I need some coffee right now. I feel like I need a coffee and some lunch to help me feel better. So let's see if we can find something nice. Good morning, guys. Saying hello from Copenhagen again, and wow, we're so completely smashed today, hosting 2 events and like day after another. It's really tough, but we made it. It went so great, so beautiful, and I just wanted to share about our night experience and booking another room. Oh my goodness. So we finished our event about 10 o'clock.
It was like 11.
Yeah, it takes time because you talk with people, so we actually left the space after 11. And Copenhagen is super big, so you have to drive, take trains and buses to get here. And then we came here like already so tired, and we just wanna get into the bed and sleep, you know. And so we came to this crazy like shopping center that was open in the nighttime, and it was showing directions where should we go, and we walked around and around to find this room. And then we came to this space that we opened the door, and it was like emptiness, darkness, renovation, and we're like, fuck, we are scammed. We don't have where to stay. It's already 12 in the night. We're exhausted. And I was like, no, it cannot be true. It's not a scam because it's on Google Maps. It's, you know, there is like reviews and everything. And yeah, we made it to this room, but it's very, very, yeah, shitty room. But we needed just to sleep over the night, and yeah, so we can continue today and now we are leaving, and I will show you on the hallway and all the way down how does it look like, because it was so sketchy in the night. I was thinking that someone will gonna actually kill us here or kidnap or whatever, like literally. Like, I want to share this video so that you would be more careful when you book stuff like that, because it's really important, your safety and how you feel, and yeah, where you're staying, like, and especially when you pay money for it, right? Like, it's not just for free. So yeah, adventures continues. Today we are going to Aarhus and meeting more friends and just resting, and tomorrow is our flight and going back to Portugal. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. I will show you that crazy hallway. So look at this hallway, guys, all the stuff here, what the hell. And here, these stairs.
Until you see the main entrance.
Yeah, the main entrance. What the hell? Like, look at this. All the trash and doors. And look, this is the main entrance into this, how they call hotel. This is the main entrance.
Completely dark. And this is what we saw when we came in.
Yeah,
the fuck is
we came through that dark door and everything was just darkness. There was no light at all. And they say like, just follow this staircase, and we're like, what the hell? Look at this. These rooms, like here and here, and then yeah, look at this door. It's so sketchy. It's coming straight from the mall. Like, this is the mall, and this is the door
to it. And we're like, what the fuck? You know.
So crazy experience. Yeah, we tried to save a little bit money, so better pay extra 10-20 euros and get a proper room, because this experience, it wasn't really pleasant in the middle of the night. Yeah, not recommended at all. But now we are done with it. It's all good. We're going to take a train back to station and just travel back home. I missed our bed so much, and just nature and peace. Wow.
This is a brute.
We are just sitting on the floor in the station, waiting for our bus, having some breakfast. Whew, very intense. It's such a big station and so many people. And yeah, I need my energy back. Adventure time, guys. We just arrived in Aarhus and now we found this swing. It's really fun. Oh my goodness. Go, Ewan!
Oh shit!
Oh no! Oh my god! Are you okay? We have a dead person here. Oh my goodness!
Did I fly?
You did fly. This thing is dangerous.
What happened?
You fly so high. Oh. Yeah, I did. Yeah, after. I wanted to show you extremely beautiful view and the sky, and it's actually the store is coming. Oh, you can see the lightning. I will try to capture. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Wow, so beautiful, guys. Now it's my turn to fly. I wanna go. I like this playground. It just brings your inner child again, and yeah, we live so seriously every day. So sometimes it's just so nice to lose yourself and do something really fun, like you are kid forever, and remember that. Bring your playfulness when you feel stressed or frustrated. Just do something really fun that you did when you were a kid, you know. Ewan is completely dead. Is that thing dangerous? Okay, I wanna try. My turn. Oh my god, I am scared. Hope so I'm not gonna hurt myself. Oh no. That hit is crazy. Oh wow, did you see? Good morning, guys. Such a nice and restful night here in the hotel. Now we are going to have some breakfast and yeah, pack our stuff, and we're going to take a Flixbus to Castelo Branco, and it's gonna take around 4 hours. So yeah, excited. The weather is not so nice here anymore. It's like rainy and really gray. I think we brought it from Denmark. Yeah, but it was a tough travel. Really beautiful, but really tough on the body. So we will need to take like 2-3 days just off doing completely nothing, and I'm so looking forward to that. So yeah, I'm going to find Ewan and grab some breakfast. Are you also so crazy that you bring your own drinks to the hotel and then make it here? We are making matcha in this camping pot that we have because yeah, we love our matcha and they don't have it here, so yeah. We are making by ourselves. Oh, I thought it's just so funny because we go everywhere and we make our own drinks and food and everything, and sometimes I feel maybe it's super weird actually, you know, to do like that. Nobody's doing it, and yeah, let me know if you also do crazy stuff like that. Nice to know that you're not alone, and even if I am alone like that, I'm okay with this because it makes me happy. So do what makes you happy. Matcha service in bed. And Ewan, he's feeling very sick after this whole trip because it was, yeah, very, very intense for both of us, and not much sleep and not eating the best quality food. You know, we love fresh juices and salads and our own cooked food, but here we were always on the run, on the go, and you need to just grab something, and yeah, our bodies doesn't feel really good right now, so we just really looking forward to go back home and take a deep rest and come back stronger again, and yeah, plan a little bit for the future, because yeah, everything is changing. We don't know what's going to happen in these couple weeks, this month. Yeah, so exciting, right? Yeah, but let's have our matcha. Cheers, guys. Oh, made it really strong for sure. Better strong than weak. Strong matcha for strong men. Let's go home. It's not gonna help. Oh, sorry.
Let's go.
Let's go.